Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Microsoft Arc mouse with your PC or laptop. First thing we'll need to do is to make sure that we have a Bluetooth connection on our PC or laptop. And to do this, go for a start, open settings, select devices, go for the Bluetooth and other devices, and right here you can see that the Bluetooth is on. If you don't have it, then sadly there's no way you can connect it. Now to turn on the mouse, we'll need to break it right here. Break it, bend it, just like that. It should turn on and you can see that the LED lamp is flashing in the blue. Also make sure that you place the batteries well if it doesn't work. Next thing is to press on this button and hold it until the LED lamp starts blinking. Just like that. And now we can click on our PC and go for Add Bluetooth or other devices. Select Bluetooth. Wait till your mouse appears right here. It should be called Arc mouse. In this case, I just have a mouse, so let's select that. And the mouse is connected. Let's try to use it. Yep, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.